Mohammad Siraj. The name will be spoken about a lot in the coming days ahead of Cricket World Cup. Well, there are enough reasons. In the India versus Sri Lanka Asia Cup 2023 finale in Colombo on Sunday, the 29-year-old right-arm pacer single-handedly broke the host resistance with a fairy spell. At the end of the game, Siraj's figure read 7, 1, 21, 6. It was only the fourth time that the Indian bowler had taken a 6-wicket haul in the ODIs. Courtesy Siraj's bowling, India skittled out Sri Lanka just for 50, the team's second lowest in the ODIs. India chased down the 51-run target with just 6.1 overs. As India won the 263 balls remaining, this is India's biggest ODI win. This is also the biggest win for an ODI tournament finale in terms of ball remaining, and Mohammad Siraj was the chief architect of it. Well, here are 10 facts about Mohammad Siraj we all should know. Born in 1994, Hyderabad, Telangana, Mohammad Siraj had humble beginnings. His father was an auto rickshaw driver, while his mother was a homemaker. Mohammad Siraj was often acknowledged the role of his father in his cricket journey. Mohammad Siraj first started getting notice from the tennis ball cricket circle. His friends convinced him to train to become a professional cricketer. He joined the Chairman Cricket Club and played in the HCA League. Mohammad Siraj made some rapid progress. He made his first-class debut for Hyderabad on November 15, 2015 under the coaching of Karthik Udupa in the 1915-16 Ranji Trophy tournament. He made his T20 debut on January 2, 2016 in the 2015-16 Shahid Mustaq Ali Trophy tournament. During the 2016-17 Ranji Trophy season, Siraj picked 41 wickets at an average of 18.92, the highest that season for Hyderabad. His big break came in February 2017 when he was picked by Sunrisers Hyderabad for that year's Indian Premier League for a whopping Rs 2.6 crore. Next year, he was bought by the Royal Challengers Bangalore, where he currently plays. In 2017, Siraj was named in India's T20 international squad for their series against New Zealand. He made his debut for India against New Zealand on November 4, 2017, taking the wicket of Kane Williamson. Siraj has so far played 21 tests and taken 59 wickets, 29 ODIs and taken 53 wickets in them, and 8 T20 internationals and took 11 wickets so far. Siraj has been a number 1 ranked bowler in the past. On January 21, 2023, Siraj became number 1 ODI bowler in ICC rankings. Currently, he is ranked on 9th in ODIs. Mohammad Siraj is a great Cristiano Ronaldo fan. His celebration after taking a wicket is similar to what Ronaldo does after scoring a goal. With his 6 by 21 against Sri Lanka, the pacer became only the 4th bowler in ODI history to take 4 wickets in an over, and he matched former Lankan pacer Charminda Was as the fastest to a 5-wicket haul in one-dayers in just 16 deliveries. Siraj is the second bowler in the Asia Cup 50 overs format to take a 6-wicket haul after Sri Lanka's Achanta Mendes bagged the figure of 8 by 13 against India in 2008. Mohammad Siraj, who is also known as Mian Magic to his fans, won hearts at the R. Premadasa Stadium after the Asia Cup finale match as he dedicated the player of the finale cash prize to the ground staff. Well, if you like the information, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to One India News.